Hey guys, it's me, Lily, and today I just want to let you know that I'm going to school with Nick, and basically, tomorrow's a school dance, and, oh, excuse me, and basically I'm going, and, sorry, basically I'm going, and, sorry, I don't really sound good in the morning. It just happens. And I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna have a big blasting party. So right after I leave, I'm actually gonna shoot a video. I'm so hungry. Shut up. Oh my god. I can't shoot this video. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so right after I come back, right after I leave, before I leave, I'm gonna be posting all these growling stomach videos for you. I was about to burp. For you guys, because I thought you guys would love if I did probably, I'm about to do 50 before I leave, and you guys will like all these videos. Let's get up to 200 subscribers. I feel like I'm gonna burp, but I can't. Hey, wait. Nothing. Okay, so let's get up to like 200 subscribers, because I think you guys are the best, and I think you guys would love if I made a lot of videos. And oh my god, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but my stomach keeps growling like I'm rubbing it right now. Okay, I'm just gonna end it really short, but I'm gonna make 20 videos each day, and then you guys have to like, subscribe, and favorite this video, and also you gotta comment something nice about my stomach or about my personality. Nick will be posting a video he's gonna be posting a vlog right now, so I got to go and eat something. Actually, no, I'm not eating breakfast. I gotta go brush my teeth. I'll see you later. Love you.